Hello everyone, in this video we are going to see about the concept of passing array to a function in programming C. So here there are two ways of calling a function. We can call a function either by value or by reference. We have seen in the previous classes what is meant by call by value and call by reference. When you say call by value, we just call the function by the value, just the value. When you say it is a call by reference, we are using the ampersand symbol to make it as a reference pointer. Okay, so let us see now how to pass then array in this array as to a function in C. Okay, so the same way that it is possible to pass the array either as a value or as a reference. So here in this type of function call, that is the type of function call by call by value, the actual parameter is copied to the formal parameters. So when you call, the function call will have some parameters and the function definition will have some parameters. So they has to be copied from one another when the function call is made. And then let us see what is formal parameter, the variable and its type as they appear in the prototype of the function or the method. So we know the function definition. In the function definition we have the function header, that is the prototype of the function. In the prototype of the function, what is the variable available, that is called as an formal parameter. And what is actual parameter is when you call the function, that is the calling environment, we use some variables. That is called as an actual parameter. So the variable or an expression corresponding to a formal parameter that appears in the function or method call in the calling environment. That is when you make a call, we are using some variable that is called as an actual parameter. So now let us see with an example how this call by value and call by reference looks like. Now our concept is we are going to pass the array to a function. It is possible that we can pass like how you pass a simple variable as an integer or a char, it is also possible to pass the array itself. So how to pass the array? Both by call by value as well as the call by reference. This example will show you how to use the call by value. So as usual, the program starts with include stdio.h, and this is the function definition. Disp is the function and it is here defined over here. So the parameter here is character and then ch. What is this ch is? So this is the function this is the parameter available in the function body or function definition. Okay, so this is the variable available in the function call. So when the name of the function call, it is called as an function call. So in the function call we are using this variable name simply as an arr of x, that is this is actually one particular variable. So this arr of x will be substituted to this ch. So that is how the actual parameter is copied to the formal parameters. So now the definition of the function is over. Into main, the program starts with the regular open brace, and then this is the definition of the character array. Thus we are defining some variables, some values a to j, the small letters, and then this is the set of array. So this array consists of the character type variables which has the value a, b, c, d, e, f, g, h, i, and j. This is one set of array. We know that array is a collection of similar elements under the same name stored in a contiguous array location. So now we are going to display. Now the program is simply to display the value in the array. That's all. Okay. So for that we are using the for loop. For int x is equal to 0, x less than 10, x plus plus. So this is the format of the for loop. Initial variable, condition checking, and then the increment. So inside the for loop, the message is disp arr of x. That means just display the elements. So take one element and display on the screen. That is the program here. Okay, and then return 0. Here what we have to notice, the function call is done by the value. You can see here this is the function call. Now the function call is made by the value. So this is the example of call by value passing array to the function, and again we are just passing them. This is the function, we are passing the whole array. So when you say x is initially x is equal to 0, first element will be passed, x is equal to 1, second element will be passed. Likewise 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, all the elements will be passed to the function. So this is the passing array to a function. Now let us see the next example, how to pass the array using the call by reference value. So what is call by reference? As the definition is given over here. When we pass the address of an array while calling a function, that is called as an call by reference. That means in the function call, within the bracket, the parameters will be using an ampersand symbol. That is called as an address of an array. So when you pass an address as an argument, the function declaration should have a pointer as a parameter to receive the passed address. So what does it mean? You can see the example here. The receiving number should have a pointer type variable, and the sending will be an array reference which is of ampersand symbol. So when this ampersand symbol always represents as an address, and this always represents the pointer to which the array starts. So now here this example, as usual, starts from include stdio.h display function. This function is going to display a numerical character. So the pass is actually given by int pointer num, and then printf the percentage d, that is for integer variable, and then the num is the real variable. Since we are passing by reference and call by reference, we are using this pointer symbol as the pointer to declare as a pointer variable. This is very important, and you can see how to match this pointer variable is matched by the ampersand symbol. Okay, in the previous slide we can see there is no pointer symbol, there is no ampersand symbol, because there is only call by value. When you call by reference, the address should be noted, reference should be noted by the ampersand symbol, and the pointer should be noted by the pointer variable. So the function is over, integer main starts. So integer array, this is the array of numerical array. So then it is defined by int, and then the same logic will you are just displaying all the values of the array. So we are using a for loop for int I is equal to 0, I less than 10, I plus plus. Disp is the function name. What to display? The ampersand array of I. That means when I is equal to 0, 1 will be displayed. When I is equal to 1, 2 will be displayed. When I is equal to 3, 3 will be displayed, and so on till all the 10 numbers are displayed. This for loop repeats and repeats. So that's all the difference here. The function call by function, and we are using the call by reference and call by value. Hope you understood the concept of this passing the arrays. Here you are actually passing not a single variable, we are passing the whole array as a parameter, and that too by two methods, call by value and call by reference. And thanks for watching.